I already poured in like 51k. I counted attempts earlier. I practically learned the duel, so I'm just kind of chilling out now.
I beat it! I beat it! No fucking way!
Go.
There's no fucking way I just beat it! There's no fucking way!
Let's go, Mo.
What?
Let's go.
What the fuck?
Good job.
Please tell me I was recording. Thank fucking God. 18,511 attempts.
Damn.
There's no fucking way, dude. That was my last attempt, too. That was my last attempt. Like, that, like, what?
Good shit.
Oh my God, dude.
You know what's next, right?
Yatagarasu.
No innards.
Oh, you're right. I'll probably do that next. You're gonna have to make me a thumbnail for that.
It's not gonna be no better than the Black Blizzard one.